Hey everyone, Technomentary with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your Apple AirTag serial number. First, we're going to show you how to find it and locate it, and then also do a check as well in two different ways. So let's get started. So the first way you can do it is that each AirTag has the actual serial number printed on the device itself, but it's not visible just to the naked eye, just like that. So what we need to do is take off this cover or the lid behind the battery. So we'll go ahead and take a microfiber cloth. Usually I like to do that so I can have a nice grip. Basically it's a plate, like metal plate on top here. We're going to use two of our thumbs to press it down and then twist it counterclockwise. So we press it down and you'll see here I just twist it counterclockwise and the pop ups the lid like that, and then the battery's right there if you need to change the battery. But if you take the battery off, you can see there's a plus sign, and take a closer look right underneath here. You should see there's a serial number listed. It starts with like these letters. You'll notice here that's the serial number. Now for some reason you can't access that, or you find it hard to maybe take this off, or basically if you have this connected to your iPhone, you can also get it from your iPhone. So in order to get it, all you're going to do is go ahead and open up your app called Find My, which is the default app on your iPhone. Right, we're going to go ahead and open it up. And once we open it up, the next thing you're going to do is click on items here. Now, once you click on items, it's going to list basically your item, basically your AirTag here, and you're going to click on that AirTag right there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And once you click on that, right up top is going to be the name of your AirTag, whatever you named it. But then there's also going to say the word now. What you're going to do is tap on now. And once you tap on now, what's going to happen is that serial number is going to be listed right there as well for you. Same exact serial number, and you can basically go ahead and copy that over. Now after that, what I have done is taken a screenshot by pressing and holding the side button and either of the volume up or volume down button, so I can get ahead and save it to my photo. And the reason why that is, I can now press and hold this number and I can copy it over. And then I'm going to go over to any browser and type in Apple serial number lookup. Now when I do Apple serial number lookup, it's going to take you to this website called checkcoverage.apple.com, which allows you to check any Apple devices using the serial number. So I just go ahead and here tap on it and then go ahead and paste that number and then take the code that's given here. Just type that code out. Whatever the code you get, it's going to be of course different for you. Hit submit, and then it gives you the ID of this AirTag when you purchased it and any coverage that you have to verify it's of course a genuine Apple AirTag, just like that. And as you can see here, that's how you're able to go ahead and check your AirTag. And I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your AirTag and other Apple accessories as well. We'll see you guys next time.